Hello everyone, I am Eki Ismawati, with NPM 234122041, from Accounting Class 23A. In this video I will explain about MSMEs Tax. Definition of MSMEs Tax. MSMEs Tax is an income tax imposed on income generated by MSMEs business actors. This tax usually applies to income originating from business activities outside of formal employment. MSMEs tax provides convenience for small business actors with a lower tax rate compared to income tax in general, thus encouraging MSMEs actors to comply with tax obligations and support state revenues. MSMEs tax objectives. The MSMEs tax aims to increase tax compliance of micro, small and medium enterprises by setting low rates, 0.5% of turnover, and simple administrative procedures. This policy makes it easier for business actors to fulfill tax obligations without high burdens, while also supporting the growth of MSMEs through certainty and ease of reporting. MSMEs tax benefits. 1. Improved tax compliance. With low rates and simple administration, MSMEs tax makes it easier for business actors to fulfill their tax obligations, reduces tax avoidance, and increases awareness of the importance of paying taxes. 2. Supports business growth. A tariff of 0.5% of turnover allows MSMEs to allocate profits for business development, increasing operational scale, increasing competitiveness, and encouraging economic growth. 3. Encourage business formalities. An easy and transparent tax system encourages business actors to run businesses formally. With formalities, they can more easily access bank loans, government incentives, and collaboration opportunities with large companies. 4. Increase state revenue. MSMEs tax involves the MSMEs sector in the tax system, which, even though the rates are low, makes a significant contribution thanks to the large number of business actors. This supports state revenues for development and welfare programs. MSMEs tax subject. MSMEs tax subjects are parties who are required to pay tax based on the provisions in PP No. 23 of 2018. There are three main categories. 1. Individual taxpayers. Individuals who run micro, small and medium businesses are responsible for paying tax on their business income at low rates and simple administration according to the provisions. 2. Certain forms of corporate taxpayers, including business entities such as cooperatives, CVs, and firms which are subject to MSMEs tax based on the income generated according to the applicable rates. 3. Limited liability company, PT. PTs that meet MSMEs criteria, such as limited turnover, are also subject to MSMEs tax. Even though PTs are usually larger, they can still take advantage of lighter tax rates. MSMEs tax object. MSMEs tax objects are income or transactions that are subject to tax according to the provisions. There are two main objects. 1. Income from business. Includes all income obtained by MSMEs from their business activities, such as selling goods, providing services, or other production results. This income is used as the basis for taxation. 2. Gross circulation or turnover. Turnover is the total income from sales of goods or services in a certain period before deducting costs. MSMEs tax is calculated based on a certain percentage of the turnover, for example 0.5%. MSMEs tax rates. Initially, the MSMEs tax rate was set at 1%, but based on PP No. 23 of 2018, this rate was reduced to 0.5%. This rate applies to individual and corporate taxpayers with gross turnover below IDR 4.8 billion per year. Conclusion. So, it can be concluded that the MSMEs tax is a low-rate income tax, 0.5% of turnover, imposed on micro, small, and medium business actors. The aim is to improve tax compliance, support business growth, and business formalities, and increase state revenues. This tax applies to individuals and business entities with a turnover of less than IDR 4.8 billion per year.